the elevator at the Hampton Inn in Lincoln, Illinois. The ThyssenKrupp Aurora is at the Hampton Inn in Lincoln, Illinois. The ThyssenKrupp Aurora, installed in 2008. Here it comes. Stop on 2. Here it is. Let's go to 3. Here we go. This is hydraulic as well, identical to the one at the La Quinta Inn back in Acme, Iowa. Here are 3. Let's go back down to 1. These are your pictures. Aurora pictures. There's your phone down there. Fornicator. ThyssenKrupp elevator. Elevator number 1. 2,500 pounds capacity. Here are 1. And that's it.